Financing and mortgage questions make up a significant portion of the Arizona real estate exam. Many of these questions test whether you understand how loans are structured and how lenders secure their interest in real property. Welcome to Property Professor's AZ Real Estate Exam Series. In this module, we're covering the core concepts of real estate financing and mortgages. Let's begin with the basic purpose of a mortgage loan. Most real estate transactions involve financing because buyers often do not have enough cash to purchase property outright. A mortgage loan allows a borrower to purchase property while promising to repay the lender over time. The borrower is known as the mortgagor. The lender is known as the mortgagee. The loan is secured by the property itself. This means that if the borrower fails to repay the loan, the lender may have the legal right to take the property through foreclosure. Now, let's talk about security instruments. A security instrument is the document that places a lien on the property to secure the loan. In many states, the most common security instrument is a mortgage. However, in Arizona, the most common security instrument is a deed of trust. A deed of trust involves three parties: the trustor, who is the borrower, the beneficiary, who is the lender, and the trustee, who is a neutral third party that holds the legal title until the loan is repaid. The trustee has the authority to initiate foreclosure if the borrower defaults on the loan. Understanding the difference between mortgages and deeds of trust is an important exam concept. Now let's discuss loan-to-value ratio, often referred to as LTV. The loan-to-value ratio compares the amount of the loan to the value of the property. For example, if a buyer borrows 80% of the property's value, the loan-to-value ratio is 80%. Lenders use LTV to assess risk. Higher loan-to-value ratios generally represent higher risk for the lender. Now let's review amortization. Amortization refers to the process of gradually paying off a loan through regular payments over time. Each payment typically includes two components: principal and interest. Early in the loan term, a larger portion of the payment goes toward interest. Over time, more of the payment goes toward reducing the principal balance. Finally, let's review foreclosure. Foreclosure is the legal process used by a lender to recover the balance of a loan when a borrower defaults. Because Arizona commonly uses deeds of trust, foreclosure often occurs through a trustee's sale, which is typically faster than court-based foreclosure. Understanding the relationship between borrowers, lenders, and security instruments is key to answering financing questions on the Arizona exam. In Part 2, we'll walk through Arizona-style exam questions covering mortgages, loan structures, and foreclosure concepts. If you're serious about becoming a licensed real estate agent in Arizona and want mentorship beyond just passing the exam, connect with me. I'm building a team of well-trained professionals who want to build their careers the right way.